a great choice today with the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.